Willie Nelson, Spanish Angels.
Oh. What
GC&D. He looked down into her blue eyes. He said, say a prayer for me. She threw her arms around him and whispered, God will keep us free. They could hear the riders coming. He said, this is my last night. If they take me back to Texas, they'll never take me back alive. There were 7 Spanish angels at the altar of the sun. They were praying for the lovers in the valley of the gun. When the battle stopped and the smoke cleared, there was thunder from the throne. And 7 Spanish angels took another angel home. Reached down and picked the gun up that lay smoking in his hand. She said, Father, please forgive me. I can't make it without